Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a stage's power meter. First, ensure your power meter has a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery properly installed. Next, gently rotate the crank arm 2 or 3 full revolutions. This action wakes up the power meter, preparing it for connection. Finally, take a moment to locate the unique ANT plus identification number, typically found on the back of the power meter itself. This number is crucial for the next step. Now, let's pair your power meter with your cycling computer, also known as your head unit. Begin by navigating to the Sensors and Accessories menu on your device. From there, select the option to add new or search for a power sensor. Your stage's power meter should appear in the list. Select it, often identified by its unique ANT plus ID. You can connect via ANT plus or Bluetooth, depending on your head unit's capabilities. For the most accurate data, performing a zero reset or calibration is essential. First, position the crank arm vertically, ensuring no weight is applied to the pedals and your bike is stable. Next, on your head unit, find the calibrate or zero reset function within the power meter settings. Initiate the process and confirm the resulting zero offset value, which should ideally be around 890, with a tolerance of plus or minus 50 points. If you encounter issues, start by checking the battery. Ensure it's fresh and correctly seated to prevent signal dropouts. Optimal head unit placement is also key. Mounting it on the stem or left side of the handlebars, closer to the power meter, can improve connection stability. Remember to perform a zero reset regularly, particularly after transporting your bike or experiencing significant temperature shifts, to maintain consistent and accurate power readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.